Welcome to Products Review, your trusted source for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Today, we are going to talk about the Product Chemical Guys Micture 506 12 Professional Grade Premium Microfiber Towels, Gold 16-inch x 16-inch, pack of 12, safe for car wash, home cleaning, pet, drying cloths. This product is perfect for final touch buffing and wiping. It is designed with silk edges to protect your paint. It is safe to use on all automotive vehicle and RV brands, including Acura, Audi, BMW, Buick, Cadillac, Chevy, Chrysler, Dodge, Fisker, Ford, Jeep, Honda, Hummer, Hyundai, Infiniti, Isuzu, Jaguar, Jeep, Kia, Land Rover, Lexus, Lincoln, Mazda, Mercedes, Mercury, Mini, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Pontiac, Porsche, Ram, Saab, Subaru, Tesla, Toyota, Volkswagen, and Volvo. Recently purchased this product and have been very pleased with the result. It is high quality and durable. The microfiber towels are easy to clean and can be washed in a washing machine with a designated wash and dry load. Do not use fabric softeners or dryer sheets when washing. The towels are also safe for home cleaning and pet drying. Overall, I highly recommend the Chemical Guys Micture 506 12 Professional Grade Premium Microfiber Towel. It is a great product with excellent results. Chemical Guys Pro Grade Premium Microfiber Towels offer the perfect solution for any auto detailing job. Featuring a dual weave design and ultra-soft microfiber, they are not only fluffy and soft for final touch wiping, but also strong and absorbent enough for all applications. With exclusive silk-banded edges to prevent scratches and swirling, these towels have a two-sided pile that is perfect for soaking up wash water and buffing away dried wax, sealant, and polish. Plus, the luxurious silk edging adds extra protection to paint from damage, making these towels the go-to brand for car care. Did you like the product? The purchase link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.